Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I did this like African inspired look. All the colors in my shirt are something that I actually put on my eyes. The gold is like the primary color that I wanted to actually use for my eyes, and then the red in my inner crease, and then I guess the blue and the green at the bottom of my lower lashes or lower lid. I really hope you enjoy this look. I really enjoy creating it, and this is going to be a super short intro because I am very hot right now. So I'm about to wrap it up. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Hopefully everything shows up, because apparently when I was editing, or when I was actually recording, my camera kept cutting off because my cards were full. So you know what I'm talking about. If you do YouTube, you know exactly what I mean. Anyway, this wig is from CityRepublik. I hope you guys like it. I like with the full, my natural hair used to be full, not like this, but it was, you know, pretty nice. I can insert a picture of my natural hair. And this choker, I don't even know where the heck I got this from. But anyway, hope you guys enjoy the look. I will let you know where I got this shirt in the link down below because I don't remember. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye-bye. Alright guys, so to start off, I'm using my Rodan and Fields. This is my lip renewing serum. It's like little gray capsules, and you can actually just twist them off, and it really, really hydrates your lips. So I actually love this stuff. Now I'm going in with my Makeup Revolution concealer, and of course this is in the color C12, and I'm placing this all over my eyelid, and of course this is to make the colors pop once I put my eyeshadow on. Now for this first color, this reddish color, I actually went into the Morphe palette, and I will actually have I guess leave it in the description box below, but there's like a red brick color and like a brown color, and these are what I use to put inside my crease. Now this is that brownish color from the Morphe palette, and again I'm just blending that all into my crease. Now for this orange color, I'm actually going in with the Juvias palette, and I think this is the Warrior palette, and I'm actually placing the color, this is Morocco, into my lid. Once again, I'm cutting my crease with the Makeup Revolution C12, and I'm placing this all over my lid. Now for this gold color, I'm actually using the Warrior palette, and I think this color is called Bakwa, and I placed this all over my lid, and actually I'm just patting this on to make sure I get the best color payoff. Now you'll just see me going back in, and I'm blending all the colors together, and I'm trying to make sure that there are no harsh lines. So that's what I'm doing in this clip. And now I'm going in with my foundation routine that I've been doing lately. I actually didn't record the part where I put my concealer on, and I think I used Makeup Revolution, this is in C13, to put it over my face. And of course this is the Makeup Revolution foundation stick that I've been using like crazy. And that's it. It's gonna be like a regular routine for me. And I'm feeling my Diana Ross hair, yes! And now to contour, I'm just taking my Queen CoverGirl collection, and this is an Ebony bronze, and I am bronzing my normal areas of my face. And in order to set my concealer, I'm actually going back in with the Bakerie flower, and this is in the color yellow. Now the blush I used was the blush from the e.l.f. palette, and it's the dark palette, so I just used that on my cheeks. And now I was interrupted by my son and sister-in-law. Now for my lower lash line, I used the, oh my goodness, I just forgot what it was called. Anyway, it's one of the Juvias Place palettes, and I used, there's a blue and a green, and I think this is called Mally, and I forgot what the other color is called, but I'll again place it in the comments below. Now for my highlight, I'm using again the Juvias Place highlighter, and I'm placing this on my nose and my cheeks. And for my lips, I'm actually lining this with Night Moth, which is like the dark red from MAC, and I'm going in with a Maybelline matte lipstick, and this is in the color red. I didn't want a glossy look at all, so I went back in and I actually used Ruby Woo by MAC, and I put that over top, so it's like almost like a matte pouty look that I was going for. And that's it, guys. This completes my look. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm on here trying to take pictures on my phone to see what I look like and fixing my choker because it was crooked. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye-bye.